Hi everyone, this is Neha and I'm back with a new tutorial after a long time. Really sorry that I'm giving a lot of gaps in between my videos just because of the hectic work schedule. I'm trying to cope up and I'll make sure that I increase the frequency of my videos. So here am I. When I started this YouTube channel, I started off with one video which was about how to change your Facebook page name, your Facebook page username, and stuff like that. And that was a big hit for me, for my channel. And I'm going to actually focus on the same area because now, of course, the Facebook interface has changed tremendously. And I'm sure I've got a couple of requests where people were asking how do we do that in 2020. So this is one of my page which you can see, Chandigarh, my city beautiful, which is the city where I belong from. Now, this is how you will see any page. Whenever you will be the admin or the editor or author or manager of that particular page. So this is how you are going to see in your latest version of Facebook. And where you have to go is edit page info. If you can see just on the left hand side, edit page info, and here you can see the name of your page. So basically you can type whatever name you feel is there, but yeah, at the same time you have to see that that page is available, that page name is available. Then they might have certain page name guidelines. If you click here, it will take you to another page, which is a help page of Facebook, where you'll see what all page names are not allowed. What type of page names are allowed and not allowed. So you can just quickly go through it, and it will give you a gist of what things you need to avoid while naming your page. And if whenever you are trying to change the page, let's say if I just want to keep it Chandigarh, I'm not going to change it, so I'm just sharing it. So it will show you that your current page name is this and the new page name will be this. And typically it may require 3 days to review it. And if your name change is approved, you won't be able to unpublish the page or change the name again for 7 days. So you better be careful that whatever name you are changing is not having any typo, or is it the actual name that you really want to make it, or maybe you want to change it, because otherwise you won't be able to change it for another week. So just take care of these things before confirming the request change. And the username is basically whatever you see in the URL after facebook.com. That's the URL, that's the username that you can change from here. And apart from that, this is a description area. So whenever somebody sees your page, they see a brief description of the page. So this is what the section is all about. Then comes the categories, where you can define this particular page is about what. So you can define that category. It could be maybe health, let's say. So it will show you that particular category. But mine is not something related to other than communities. It's just a community page. And you can have around 1 to 3 categories like it is mentioned here. Then you can mention your phone number, where you have to put your country code first of all, and then the phone number. My page doesn't have any phone number. If I have any email ID, I can put that. If I have any website or a blog, I can put that. I can also put an exact address. If it is a local business, I can do that. If I don't, my page doesn't have any location, I can just simply do this. And then the service area, if you're a business and you are serving certain particular areas, and you can define that. I've added a couple of regions that are nearby to Chandigarh. And it helps Facebook to actually suggest your pages according to that service regions only. If you have any working hours, if you are temporarily closed, or you are operating as usual, you can define that. You can also define the privacy policy, your price range, and so on. So there's so many things that you can manage here, but I wanted to focus on these two majorly in this video, which is your name, the Facebook page name, and Facebook use page username that you can change from here, which is the edit page info on the left hand side. So that's all for today. I'm going to be recording more videos. Please do suggest the topics that you would like me to cover on, and I'll be happy to do that. Thank you for your time. Keep loving, keep subscribing, and keep liking my videos.